OPPO Find X9 Ultra hands-on video leak. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra is scheduled for its official global launch on April 21, 2026. The Find X9 Ultra will feature a slightly redesigned rear camera module and will be available in 3 color options. The signature Hasselblad edition, it features a sophisticated dual-tone finish with split vegan leather panels, canyon orange and polar glacier white. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra will have a built-in 10x telephoto camera. The Find X9 Ultra has the world's first 50MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, with a 230mm equivalent focal length. The camera will be able to shoot 460mm 20x pictures at optical quality zoom, a 200MP Sony LYTIA901 primary sensor, a 50MP Samsung JN5 ultra-wide shooter, a 200MP OmniVision OV52A lens with 3x optical zoom, include a 3.2MP Dansha color restoration sensor for better color capture, a 50MP autofocus selfie camera at the front. The Ultra model will sport a flat 6.82-inch BOE LTPO display with a 2K plus resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate, powered by a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, running ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. The device is also confirmed to pack a 7050 mAh battery. It will support 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. OPPO is moving towards releasing the Find X9 Ultra both in China and globally. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.